Back with another Tool Tip Tuesday. Today we are going to be making, don't really have words for it. It's like a slapper mixed with a hammer. All you need is a cool old screwdriver, then just a piece of leaf spring. Got our screwdriver, got our little round piece of leaf spring. All I'm going to do now is just cut the tip of the screwdriver off, bend it with some oxyacetylene, weld it on, polish the face, it's done. It's done. Shining, nice and lightweight, perfect little like bumping hammer. Bring up all those little lows.